To me, one of the most frustrating parts of the RS4 and some of the earlier DJI gimbals is that they used an ARCA Dovetail running left to right. And I understand why they did that, so that you can accommodate DSLRs with a built-in grip on the side. But for us, we have base plates with ARCA Dovetails running front to back. And you'd think that they would work, but they don't. So what we've done is we've created an adapter piece which replaces the tray for the RS4 gimbal. So this has the gearing like you would see on the DJI version. And we have screws here where you can still adjust the dovetail left to right if you have a wide camera. To install this, we'll release our camera package from our Baseline base plate, exposing that front to back ARCA Dovetail. Next, we'll install the adapter. Slide that on, lock the knob. Next, we'll put it onto our gimbal. Load this the same way you would the RS4 gimbal dovetail. Find your balance and lock this lever here. I'm going to take off our top handle for weight savings. And now we can balance our rig here. So we'll unlock our lever and use that knob to balance the camera. Okay, now we can turn on our gimbal. With a new gimbal adapter, you can switch from studio mode to gimbal and back again without any tools. This product is available now at mid49.com.